smile and play. We'll draw something new every day.
Hi friends! Welcome back to Kids Create. Today, we're drawing a cute and yummy lollipop. Plus, there's a free coloring page and a fun fact waiting for you. Don't miss it. It's okay if your lines aren't perfect. Mine aren't always either, and that's what makes your drawing unique. Did you know? The word lollipop came from a horse named Lollipop because the inventor loved his horse so much. Now that our drawing is complete, it's time to bring it to life with colors. And here's something exciting. This exact drawing is available as a free coloring page for you to download. The link is in the description below, so don't miss it. Remember, you can choose any color you like. Let your imagination run wild and make it your own masterpiece. Wow! You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to download the free coloring page link in the description. It's the perfect way to color this drawing as many times as you like. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more drawing adventures. See you next time.